What is the best wallet that I can use to explore both XRP and Flare without having to switch to multiple wallets? In this video, we are going to explore the different alternatives that we have in terms of wallets for both mobile and web browser. So let's dive in. The first thing that we want to consider is probably the most famous alternative among current users in both ecosystems. After doing some research, what I found is that Bitfrost wallet is really one of the most popular choices. Now, this is really a multi-chain wallet that allows you to have full control over your crypto with a self-custody wallet. It has an NFT gallery and also has different features to browse different decentralized applications from your wallet, right? So one of the things that I wasn't very comfortable about is the fact that, okay, you can get it on your phone, but then on browser, having it as a browser extension is not really very easy to do. You can do it. I'm not going to focus on that during this video because really what I want to explore is how we can enable this kind of thing for people that are already using wallets that are widely popular, such as MetaMask, right? So for MetaMask, a lot of people still don't know that there is an extension that you can use for the XRP ledger, right? If you go here to this website, snaps.metamask.io, you will easily find, if you type XRPL, what is the right extension. So you can click here on install XRP ledger. It's going to give you a third-party software notice. You can accept that, and then you can move forward with the connection request. It will ask you a couple of things and warn you about what is going to happen. You can just click here, confirm, and click here on install XRP ledger. Now, another thing that I want to comment here is what is the alternative for adding Flare? Probably if you're using MetaMask already and are exploring Flare, you don't have this issue. But in case you need to add it manually, you can always use Chainlist and connect your wallet directly so that you have the alternative to add Flare in a very easy way. Why this is important? Well, because first of all, MetaMask is one of the most widely used wallet, but of course it has the alternative for web browser extension, which is pretty comfortable, and the same for mobile phone. Another wallet that you can consider here is Trust Wallet, right? So Trust Wallet has been around for a couple of years. It was founded in 2017. It has multiple features that are pretty comfortable, and you can do swaps. You can earn, you can connect with different dApps as well. And it's relatively simple to, just get started, download this wallet, and you will have XRP right off the bat. And for having this on Flare, of course, you will have to install it as well, but it's fairly simple, right? Let me see if I can click here my password that you cannot see. Oops. And let's see if we can explore this further. Okay, so here's the option to add the custom network. So if you want to add Flare here, then what can you do? Of course, you can go to Chainlist, but probably it's going to prompt you to MetaMask if you already have it. So maybe the best alternative is just go to the developer hub for Flare and then add the information manually. Here you have the RPC information, the chain ID, and the different explorers that we have. So fairly simple. You should just add that information here and you will have access to Flare and XRP on your wallet. Let's see if we can see it now. Okay, since I put my password here, I can see I have XRP and I have Flare, both on my wallet. Pretty comfortable and ready to explore both ecosystems, right? Notice here that here on the settings, I have clicked here on all networks to see these different possibilities, but it's fairly simple. I'm pretty sure that anyone can get started on this. And the important thing is that these two alternatives, MetaMask and Trust Wallet, are still not widely used on XRP and Flare. So I'm pretty sure this is going to grow over time. Aside from Bitfrost, there is also other wallets that are native to each ecosystem. One that I particularly like for Ledger is Shaman, and for Flare, you will have other types of wallets as well. Not very big brands at the moment, but I am seeing that they can incorporate very interesting features that include like delegation for rewards, and so that you can have staking with Flare. So I'm pretty sure that in the end, we're going to see options to have staking for XRP on Flare in one click. And I think that that is going to be one of the key, most important features that most of these wallets probably will need to have in order to remain competitive. So let me know which one are you using, why you prefer one instead of other, and let's keep learning together.